Your pot hose isn't low light tolerant, it's light hungry. Give me 3 minutes and I'll show you 9 small tweaks that wake it up. Bigger leaves, richer variegation, and 0 random yellowing, without buying anything new. If plant care feels confusing, I make it simple. Hit subscribe and let's fix your pot hose today. Tip 1. Real bright indirect. Place your pot hose 0.5 to 2 meters from an east or bright north window, or behind a sheer curtain on south/west windows. More light equals tighter spacing and stronger variegation. Using a phone lux app? Aim 500 to 2000 lux for steady growth, 2000 to 5000 for faster, still safe growth. Tip 2. Water by feel, not calendar. Lift the pot. Water only when it feels lighter and the top 2 to 3 centimeters is dry. When you water, soak thoroughly until 10% runoff, then empty the saucer. That's how you prevent root rot. Tip 3. Give roots air. Mix 40% premium podding mix plus 30% perlite or pumice plus 20% bark plus 10% cocoa coir. Airy soil drains fast, so you get growth without the rot. Tip 4. Up pot only when roots circle the bottom or you're watering every 2 to 3 days. Size up just 2 to 5 centimeters, 1 to 2 inches. Always choose drainage holes. Tip 5. Fertilize lightly during spring to early fall. 1/4, 1/2 strength balanced liquid every 2 to 4 weeks. In winter, pause or go monthly. Pale new leaves and sluggish growth? That's often underfeeding. Tip 6. Prune long, bare vines just above a node. It pushes energy into new, fuller growth. Use the cuttings to propagate, in water or straight into moist mix. Keep warm and bright for quick roots. Tip 7. Aim 40 to 60% humidity and 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Group plants. Use a pebble tray for a minor boost, and avoid cold drafts or blasting AC. Tip 8. Give it a moss pole or trellis if you want bigger leaves. Pot hose climbs in nature. Rotate the pot a quarter turn weekly for even growth. Tip 9. Do a quick monthly check. Look under leaves and at nodes for spider mites, mealybugs, scale. Rinse leaves, wipe with mild soapy water, then follow up with neem or horticultural oil per label. Yellow leaves. Usually overwatering or low light. Brown tips. Underwatering, low humidity, or fertilizer salts. Flush the soil. Brighter diffused light, water by feel, airy mix, small pot-ups, light feeding, prune and propagate, comfy humidity, support and rotate, monthly pest check. Want bigger leaves in 30 days? Stake 2 strongest vines to a moss pole, keep them in 2000 to 5000 lux, and don't let them fully dry. Watch the leaf size jump. If this helped, so more plant lovers find it. Comment thrive, and I'll reply with my pot hose soil recipe card. Save this video for your next watering day.